agree on that. Somebody when they escort me ask me say, how will we make sure say all these promises where in they make in go keep her? I'll give her one assurance. I say somebody ask me say, how we will make sure say all the promise in they make in go keep her? I give her one assurance. I say I no be more. If more no do wetin in talk as I did for this campaign, I will go in office. If you know green listen, I will begin attacking for newspaper.
Yes.
And the promise I give her now, I will fight her. Because one thing why I don't go this market, some people I look. One boy tell me I say nothing will make them vote for me. Can vote for any party.
Absolutely.
I say why? I say if you Muslim, he say no. Where are you from? He say Benue. He be Catholic. He say yes, he be Catholic. I say I go report you to father. He say go and report me. You know why? He is tired. The fact he say I get voters card, but he's tired. He's tired because 4 years again, chairmanship candidates will go down like this, make promises, nothing. But you people are the problem. You are the problem. When they come, you gather. When they come, you gather. What are you gathering for? If you hold them responsible, they will not be doing what they're doing. Most of them who come out here, they come out to ask you for votes. Because when they get there, they will share the money with those who are sponsoring them. I am not sponsoring anybody. I will be surprised if Mo will do the same like them. Mo is an agent of change.
Absolutely.
So for the first time, try us. Try us. If you know the funny thing, if you vote for Mo and they swear at me before the general election, we will come. So if we come again, say, we vote for Mo, see what Mo we will give you. So you have grounds to test us. I beg, when I help us just vote for Mo and see how things go change. May God bless on that.
Thank you. Building material market. Today we come here. I'd like to speak the English way we create because it's sweet pass the one way we both do them. And material market no dey hear English, na money dey hear, no be so. What we want now, say make we do market, make money, so that we can take care of our family. I don't go to talk too much because one of our fathers there with us. One thing is certain, me and Madam Gladys, the councillor of Kabusa, we dey here. No be so? I know say una dey suffer. I know say una no get road. Life sef una no get. And true be say, all these things what we dey talk about now, the chairman now suppose they take care of them. Many people don't know the difference between the job of the minister and the job of the chairman. Because for AMAC, chairman no exist, whether in terms of representation or performance. So now also minister then go there here. If you go London, nobody talk about the Queen of England, not the mayor of what in London. Because I talked on before, say this election is the most important. It's so critical. Actually, in reality, it is even more than the presidential election. But you see, for Nigeria, get one win trade the warriors. The things where they important, we don't go remember them. For the first time, non-indigenous Mokuna Komoto. Okay. Mokuna Komoto. Let's check what belongs to us. Mokuna Komoto. My papa been the top for that side say AMAC get more than 1 million registered voters. The last local government election, now 19,009 make chairman. No. This time around, we want to have at least 200,000 to 300,000 votes. No be so? That's so. And Kabusa alone will give us that vote. That's so. We know the strength of this market. One thing is certain, I'm not going there to go and steal. I'm going there to ensure that we have what you call an open government system, transparent system, accountability system. All this is what they talk. If I don't do, I'm not at home, my papa. Joke about it, if nothing no go come out here constant. Or you both say follow track record. There is at least 15 years of track record. I get children for school all over the place. At least 50 students are in my scholarship something. For look back here, we dey carry desk go give children in the next few days. Even tomorrow we don't. Now because of campaign we never go give them. Because when me and Gladys go there, that the children are sitting on the floor. 40 years after I go primary school here, head boy, children they sit down for floor, and they give lecture for Harvard. but I no school for anywhere. Now here in school, so I know that good can come out of AMAC. When I don't know say good day here.
Sure. Yes.
If good people, if Igbo people, Ibira people, Hausa people, see our problem for Nigeria and AMAC. Now be say we no get respect for different tribes. We no get respect for different religion. We never tire for tribalism. Wow. We never tire for religious gangsterism. Because of that, the best of us must lead the rest of us.
Yes.
All the leaders of ADC are people that have done impeccable. Their records are impeccable.
Speaking the truth.
And that is why they are pushing for candidates that have credibility,
yes,
that have character,
yes,
that have compassion,
yes,
that understand empathy.
yes.
Not be all of us they suffer here.
Yes.
We never tire.
Don't tire.
Because of that, we must shine our eye, clean our tears on Saturday, next week Saturday. Those people who say they don't write the result, if they do anyhow, go punish the devil. Go punish anybody who won't read this election. Go punish the devil who say they don't write the result. Here, Rigan, because to rig is a criminal, and we are here to stop them.